Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we learn about 8th standard poem Leisure, which is written by W.H. Davis. There are 7 stanzas at that poem, and poem is about the careless or uh, people who have no time for nature, and poets say that human beings are very busy, and animals live better life than the human beings. And let's start that poem. The first stanza is that poem is, what is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. Poets tell that people have no time. People are so busy in their work, and they have no time to admire the nature or stay at one place. Uh, and then second stanza, poets say, no time to stand beneath the bough and stare as long as sheep or cow. In their stanza, poet tell us that people is so busy they have no time to see cow and sheep. So they poet tell us that human are so busy in their life or daily schedule. In third stanza, no time to see when woods we pass, where squirrel hide their nuts in grass. This line In this line, poet say that or tell us that people have no time to see the beauty of nature. We can't see the beauty of nature. The squirrel, which is a part of our nature, who hide the nuts in the grass, the creativity of God, which see in squirrel, but people have no time to see that the beauty of nature. No time to see in broad daylight, steam full of star like skies at night. In the stanza, the poet say, the sunlight in the day, the sunlight fall on the water or leaf of the trees. It shine very well. It reflect, and its beauty is awesome. We can't imagine. This line tell us the nature's beauty, but human have no time to see that. At the night, in the sky, star twinkle. The steam full of the star and light skies at night. What type of that night? The full of star, but that nature's beauty can't see by the human. They are so busy. In the next stanza, no time to turn at beauty glance and watch her feet how they can dance. In that line, poet tell that beauty of glance. He give an example of woman who dance very well. When the woman dance, she move every part of her body. At that, like that, nature also have a beauty of glance. When the woman dance, her feet move by the music, but Human have no time to see like that beauty in the nature. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. People are so busy, they have no time to change the nature or see the changes of nature or smile for 1 minute or second. In this the smile her eyes began. Or human being have no time to smile at once at a time for a nature. And the last stanza of that poem, William Henry Davis say us that a poor life this if full of care, we have no time to stand and stare. Our life is so poor. Animals live better life than human being. I hope that our life is not very good than animals because animals live very better life than us. We have no time to stand and stare. Humans are so busy that they can't stand one place for a long time. I hope student you understand very well that poem. So if you like to my video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.